Okay, here we go again, family. 11 by 14 by Arteza. Using metallic acrylic colors from Arteza. And Arteza typical colors. This time we're going to be doing a ring pour. So let's see what happens. I'm going to use a little white milk paint on the bottom, as we normally do. I'm going to start with the tallow blue. I'm gonna continue next with the purple. Then we're gonna add a little green. A little rose, or this is magenta. I'm gonna do a voiceover because the noise was very intense. I keep adding colors to the ring pour cup and milk paint on few of the layers. Like I normally do, I begin, with big circles, and then I begin shortening the distance to make very small rings. Okay. Now I'm adding a little milk paint on the outside and inject some paint on the inside of the ring. Then I'm gonna add the Deco Art 24 gold, 24 K gold shim, looking to see if I get the effect on the pearl cells, but instead of them being white, them being gold. We'll see. Look at that cell action. We'll see what happens now. A lot of things going on at the same time. So I guess it's time for adding something in there that will give a nice effect. So let's see. Let me just add also some green to the purple. You see how it syncs? It syncs so fast. All right, we'll see. Let's go. Let's visit this corner first. Let's visit that corner next. I'm losing a lot of stuff here. Well, it's part of what I was looking for. Okay, let me continue with the voiceover. Um, don't forget that in the description below the video, there's a bunch of links so you can get the materials that I'm using with the Arteza website for United States and UK. Also, take advantage of the promotion code that I'm giving you there. That is good until September the 1st. That allows you for a 10% discount. As an affiliate, I do get a small commission of everything that you buy. And it does not affect your price, okay? So thank you for taking the moment to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed still, but then you have, the opportunity to do it now. Like, share, comment, let me know what you think about that. Don't forget that every contribution that I receive during this month will allow you to participate in the draw that is going to be taking place by the end of August. I will show you the piece that I'm going to be giving away by the end of the video. So thank you very much. Blessings. Forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell to get notifications.